Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the password on your computer or laptop or PC. So now what we want to do here is we want to head over to settings. On the upper left corner of the screen, tap on your account. And as you can see here, we have sign in options. So just click on sign in options right here. Then click on password. From here on, if you have a password, you can definitely click on change here. But if you don't, you can tap on add. You can add one right there. Then um you can also add a password hint, password since college, to our local account right there. Now, since we already have a password, if this is your case, just click on change and then type in the current password. Then just confirm the new password that you want and add a password hint. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos only here on Tech Help Guy.